What's up and welcome back to the channel. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. Like, blows my mind. Like, I started this a month ago. Anyway, just gonna head to the shop here, get some stuff done on the CRX. I'll update you guys with a video. It's like -2 Celsius today. Hopefully if we get around 4 + 4, I can take the C6 or C7 for a drive here. All right, here we go. Serbian power. So we're here ready to roll. I think today's goal is going to be if we can get the engine in the car and get the harness in. Graham's almost done it. Get the intercooler mounted again, the rad mounted again, get the turbo mocked up. I think we'd be doing pretty good. But before we go any further, make sure you give me a like and subscribe on this because you don't want to miss any of these videos. It's gonna be a cool build. Even though it's a Honda, this is my first kind of import-ish thing. I tried an import and I built the RX-8 and ended up with a V8 twin turbo. So anyway, make sure you give me a like and subscribe. Let's get rolling.
That's right.
So today wasn't a complete loss. We got to get a throttle body on there yet, and we've run into a few things. We've noticed, like when we go to put the fitting on here, it's not going to thread past here, so we'll have to fix that and clock this a little different. Obviously, we got to get our clamps on here yet. Still need the proper size coupler for down there, but it kind of gives us an idea and gets us in the ballpark. I got all excited and painted the engine bay and forgot about our rad support, so probably have to do that black yet. Still need to get our bolts for here. Other than that, we're kind of cruising along here. Not bad, not bad. So leave it to us. We put all that shit together, only to find out when we went to put the wiring harness on, we had to take it all apart again. But Graham killed this harness. Let me show you that. That's the harness Graham got all ready to go. Looks really good. And once we put these Hasports mounts on the high setting, so those of you that know, they have a high and low setting on them. Our alternator plug touches our rad. That's the plug there. So that's a hiccup we have to overcome. There was another issue we ran into. I just can't think of what it is right now. But the nice thing is we got lots of oil pan clearance now. We've probably got 3-4 inches, so that's an improvement. But moving right along. This is a first world problem. That's how close on the high setting the plug is to the rad. So that's an issue, Serge. We'll fix it. Just cut it out. Just cut it out. Alternator delete. Yeah. All right, crisis averted. So that's the plug we were having issues with. We cut the mounts off for the rad. We're gonna lift the rad up about a ½ inch. And we trim this out again for where our rad support goes to buy room for clearance on the radiator. And nothing ever goes as planned. Here we go. Yeah, so initial first mock-up. You can see in there. And we've got room for our plug now. That should work pretty damn well. It was a good day today. Got lots done here. Of course, we ran into another hiccup along the way, but nothing Surge can't deal with. We now have the hiccup of where our charge pipe runs through here because we changed our throttle body to drive-by cable before we had drive-by wire. And This port, of course, is hitting one of our charge pipes, so we'll have to adjust for that. Other than that, things seem to be moving along pretty good here. Getting close to getting the fuel system on. And Serge will end up fabbing our wastegate and our wastegate and pipe, exhaust pipe. Look at that handsome devil over there. We got this. Whoop. Yes. So anyway, moving along. Alright, so I think we're going to call it a wrap on that for the video. We've got the engine in, and we got the intercooler mounted, the rads mounted, and we overcame that one problem. Before we take off, make sure you guys give a like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell button because you want a notification every time I upload videos. And I think in the next video, we'll get the turbo back in there. We're going to get the downpipe done, the wastegate pipe done, and move on from there. Alright, thanks a lot.